Hello, everyone, and welcome to this reading and analysis of the Academy paper titled Financial Risks Tolerance Profiling from Text. This article was published in the journal Information Processing and Management in 2024 and was written by Frank Singh, a researcher at the National University of Singapore. In today's video, I will read the main section of this paper in English, ensuring a clear pronunciation, and at the end, I will summarize the key findings in Spanish. The study explores a fascinating question. Can artificial intelligence determine a person's financial risk tolerance just by analyzing the text they write? We often think that risk tolerance is something we determine through questionnaires and financial assessment, but this paper proposes a new approach using text mining and machine learning to predict a person's risk preference. Now let's begin with the abstract, which provides our overview of the entire study. Abstract. Traditional individual financial risk tolerance information is graded via questionnaire or similar structured psychometric tools. However, the vast amount of digital text generated by users presents an opportunity for a new approach. This study investigates the possibility of building a computational models that extract risk tolerance information from user-generated tests. The author defines a new classification task for risk profiling based on text mining techniques. Experiments show that pre-trained large language model archives and Baseline Micro F1 a score of 0.34. However, a convolutional neural network (CNN) models archive a micro F1 score of 0.51, significantly outperforming other methods. The study finds that textual features and supervised learning are key contributors to model performance, whereas data, argumentation, and multitasking strategies are less effective. This finding suggests that analyzing text-based data can be valuable research for financial risk profiling and can help financial institutions better understanding the client's risk preference. That means that AI models can analyze and what people write, determine the risk tolerance level potential, transforming financial planning and investment strategies. Introduction. Now let's dive deeper into the introduction section of this paper. This part explains why financial risk tolerance is important and how the study aims to address it using artificial intelligence. Risks have been a central topic in finance from very beginning and remains crucial in financial decision making today. The capital asset pricing models (CAPM) and other financial theories rely on risk assessment to determine investment strategies. Traditionally, risk tolerance is assessed through structured questionnaires, which classify investors into different categories based on their ability and willingness to handle financial losses. However, the digitalization of financial markets and the growing use of online platforms have created a new opportunities for understanding investor behavior. Many investors leave a digital footprint through social media forums and financial discussions online. This paper investigates whether user generates can serve an alternative data search for financial risk profiling. section highlights the motivation behind the study. Traditional methods rely on questionnaires which are structured but limited. Digitalization provides a new way to analyze risk preference using text data. Understanding investors' risk tolerance help financial institutions provide better service and investment habits. Literature review. Now let's move on to literature review, which provides background information on financial risk tolerance, personality traits, and text mining techniques. The paper explains that risk tolerance is often confused with similar terms like risk perception, how an individual perceives risk in different situations, and risk aversion, the degree to which someone avoids taking risks. Risk capacity, the actual financial ability to withstand losses. Understanding this difference is important for building an accurate risk profiling model. The author discusses all the connection between personality traits and risk tolerance. Studies have shown that personality traits, especially those from the Big Five personality model, affect financial behavior. For example, people with high opens are more willing to take risk. People with high conscience tend to be more conservative in investments. Extrovert individuals may take more financial risks compared to introverts. Science personality traits can be predicted from text. The author suggests that risk tolerance might all be inferred from user-generated tests. Methodology: how the AI model works. The paper then describes the methodology used to build a risk profiling model. The author collects user-generated text data from sources like social media and online discussions. A convolutional neural network (CNN) was trained to classify users into different risk tolerance levels. High risk tolerance (GLAMBers), moderate risk takers, while after research, caution investors, careful decision making, risk avoiders, very conservative investors. The CNN model was compared with the ChatGPT-4. Results showed that CN performed significantly better, achieving an accuracy of the 51 compared to ChatGPT's 2024. This suggests that specialized AI models training on financial data on performing models. Results and discussions. Results The results section of the paper highlights the key finding. The CNN model outperforms large language models like GPT. Textuals features play a crucial role in predicting financial risk tolerance. Personality traits extracted from the text are useful for understanding financial behavior. Data argumentation, adding training data, does significantly improve results. The author emphasizes that AI-driven text analysis could convulsionize financial visual servers, making them more accessible and cost-effective. Conclusion. Muy bien, para concluir, este estudio muestra que la inteligencia artificial puede analizar los textos de los usuarios para predecir su tolerancia al riesgo financiero. El modelo basado en redes neuronales convolucionales CNN superó a modelos más generales como ChatGPT-4, lo que demuestra que los modelos especializados pueden hacer mejores predicciones en el ámbito financiero. Las conclusiones principales son: la forma en que escribimos revela nuestra tolerancia al riesgo. Los modelos de AI pueden analizar estos textos y clasificar a los usuarios en diferentes perfiles de riesgo. Los bancos e instituciones financieras pueden usar esta tecnología para ofrecer servicios más personalizados y eficientes. Y en el futuro este tipo de modelos podrían reemplazar encuestas tradicionales, facilitando el acceso a inversiones más informadas y seguras. Finalmente, para remarcar, espero que les haya gustado el video. Muchas gracias por escucharme, por escuchar este análisis financiero. Espero que la presentación los ayude a entender cómo la inteligencia artificial ha revolucionado nuestra vida y las finanzas. Y eso sería todo. Muchísimas gracias por prestar atención al video.